Alma of the Airwaves, lucky of the orange coat. It is Friday, 26th of February. And you know, some days are so easy to do my episode. They're just making themselves easy peasy. Why? Okay. In the morning, I started my project. Okay, here is my project. No, first I'll show you this. This is a photo session my beautiful son Chris Ahi had in 2000. He was 10 years old, and so we made this photo session with him. Okay, he never played the guitar or the flute, but I'm gonna make. I'm gonna paint that. Okay, and here is number one. Today's beginning. Here is Chris with a guitar. Project of the day. I'm gonna make the most beautiful denim blue. I mean, what he has here. So this is coming, but I just started. So that's my project of the day. So this was done early in the morning. Then they called me to go to work in person in a hospital at noon. I went all the way really far from where I live, where I witnessed and I interpreted for a person who at 90 years old told his doctors, please do something about my, he had an operation on his foot. He said, please do something for me to recover faster because I want to grow. 90 years old. Never forget that. The video is beautiful from the beach early in the morning. Beautiful sunshine. It's summertime. We have temperatures above zero. And then to top it all, coming home, of course, I stopped at my one and only favorite Farm Boy store, where on Friday they reduced their produce, like beautiful produce, which you're gonna definitely see. I videotaped. For really a fraction of the money. Only Farm Boy. I write reviews on their website daily. I'm their most devoted fan, Farm Boy. And so that's our show. That's our Friday episode. Enjoy your life. It's Friday, the weekend is here, and we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is definitely Saturday. Okay, shopping of the day. Okay, only Farm Boy, this fabulous store. You can have this produce. Okay, lemons. All of this rainbow. You know, Mark Hyman, eat the rainbow for the silly amount of a few dollars because they reduce. Their produce is the best. I'm writing on their website every single day, review after review. Fabulous. Okay, bon appetit. Friday, here is the rainbow. I forgot the strawberries and the beautiful lemon cake, 30% off. I ate half of it on the way home. Lucky is happy too.